Hi there, I cannot cook. Let's cook some eggplant. Cut some eggplant, salt it, dip it, fry it, and you're basically done. And here we have eggplant tempura. I hate vegetables, which means I don't even eat eggplants. But eggplants are cheap. And this recipe is easy enough to follow, so let's give it a try. So first, we grab some eggplant. This is Japanese eggplant, but it's not like it would matter. Cut it into half centimeter thick and rub some salt on it. The salt will add flavor and extract some of its bitterness. Leave it in the fridge for about 1 hour, and after 1 hour, it will look like this. After that, add 4 spoonfuls of flour with some water until about as thick as pancake batter. It's more or less like this. Grab some eggplant and cover them with this flour mixture. Heat up some cooking oil. I'll be using a wok, and fry them about 2 minutes on each side. Do not overcrowd the pan. Take them out from the wok. I burned some of them, and this is the result. It tastes surprisingly decent. The skin is crispy and the eggplant just melts inside my mouth. Overall, it tastes okay. I still hate vegetables though. I don't think I will cook this very often, but I can probably say that I can tolerate this one, which is the highest praise I can ever give to vegetables. So, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.